guess real quick, Tyler, if you want to share your screen again, we could talk about like the
Yeah.
you can have different phone numbers associated to
Mhm.
different reps in teams.
Yeah. So here, let me get that pulled back up. So yeah, I can go over to the phone numbers, and we can see. Let's see. So get in. Okay. With each provider, there's the different phone numbers. You can look at the properties and assign. So right now it's assigned to a team, so it's given to multiple people, but you can also do a regular owner. You can't select multiple. So if you do want to have like only 3 people on it, you do need to make a team for them to then assign to them. Because you also can't create duplicates of a phone number to assign each time. We tried doing that and it recognizes it and says no. So you need to either do teams or individual users for a phone number. But yeah, once it changes over, you can update it. It also doesn't allow you, even though it's got the plus, if you've already assigned an owner to it, it doesn't let you unassign an owner to it. So if you try to unassign and then save, it'll save, but it won't actually like take the change. So you can't have like an owner list just like publicly, or not publicly, but like environment wide available phone number unless you have a team with everybody on it.
Great job, Tyler. Thanks.
Yeah. And then you can also in that text message conversation, you can change which phone number you're using.
Yeah.
So if you're in multiple phone numbers or multiple teams and even different providers. So in our case, we have Twilio, which doesn't work, Twilio and Telesign. And it will show both of those in the conversation. So you could have a phone number per sales rep, right? If they wanted to be that unique, or it's a phone number per group, like all the sales reps are using the same phone number, and then they can also kind of see the same history. And so you can even really break it down. So you can kind of see there, you can identify which phone number. These are the only phone numbers that he has access to, and he's associated to the team. So that's why you see that like multiple especially the team record icon with the multiple people. So you can see if it's an individual phone number or a team phone number. So anyways, sorry to kick a dead horse on that, but I just thought that was really interesting and unique. And I think there's some good use cases because sometimes people get picky with phone numbers.